Good morning, everyone. It's going to be the last good morning from here, because today's the day that we're going to head down, I think. Keep putting it off. Just go get on with it, otherwise I'll be stuck up here forever. I don't really know what I'm doing yet, to be honest. All I know is we need to get down from up here. That is the priority. As lovely as it is, go down before anything else goes wrong. Once I get down, then I'll make a plan. I might actually wait to go down for a few hours, you know, just till the sun's been on the road for a bit. It's still a bit wet. I want the road to be bone dry going down there. Don't want to risk it. I just hope that main road is better, which I'm sure it will be, because I saw a flipping bus come up here the other day. I wish I could just stay up here. I would. It's so nice. My fucking mouth. I can feel it. My wisdom tooth up here, I think, is growing out to the side, making life interesting. This is like actual paradise, isn't it? You know, you can take your beaches and all that shit. This up here, just in a mountain valley, like mountains all the way around. It's like a sanctuary, isn't it? Sort of blocked away from the rest of the world, kind of thing. It reminds me of like I don't know what movie. There was some movie when I was a kid where they're trying to get to this place and it's like surrounded by mountains, and then inside it's like a paradise and everyone's fine. It's kind of what this is like, except since I've been here, everything's been going wrong. Alright, well, I'll chill for a couple of hours, probably start doing the video, but I ain't uploading it from here again. Wait till I get down. Like, even the spot where I was before I left here, it took 3 minutes to upload a video, same size. Up here, 5 hours. It's nice in a weird way, because I'll appreciate it more when I get down, being this disconnected. Like, I try and have a conversation with somebody, try and talk to someone on WhatsApp or Instagram or something, and you know, I'll probably get a couple of words in and then it'll drop and I'll have to wait 5 minutes, and then they've replied like, where you gone? And then I'm trying to answer that, and it's oh, it's funny. I am pissed I didn't go at one of them. I actually am. You'll see on yesterday's video how fast the weather can go to shit. That's why on the video before, you know, when I was out walking and I started hearing the thunder, got a bit of a scoot on, because I've been up in the mountains before. Like, within 5 minutes it can go from, you know, lovely boiling sunny day to it shitting it down so hard you can't work out where you are, what's going on. You know, the clouds come down, you can't see anything. It's quite dangerous, actually, to be honest. Probably goal number 1 for some point during this trip: watch the sunrise from a mountain. I did it in the Lake District, one called Helvellyn. Camped on top of that. I mean, it's not, you know, compared to these, it's a flipping pebble, but watching the sunrise from that was an experience I'll never forget for the rest of my life. Unbelievable. So I can only imagine what it'd be like from one of these, just on top of the world. Should have gone left, man, on that path. When I was in these forests here, working my way up, something like that, and then I came to that rock, which was probably about here somewhere, I'd say, and I went right, didn't I, which took me round and through that valley. If I'd have gone left, that would have gone up here. But then again, I'd probably be dead by now, so it is time. Do you like my key? Oh dear, right. I still have to use my keys, because obviously I have to disable the steering lock and do the immobiliser. But we plug that in. We have that. And then we start it by peeling back that little bit of tape and doing that. A bit nervous, I'm not going to lie. I'm sure it will be fine on the way down. It will be fine because there's another flipping motorhome over there just come up now a few minutes ago. So obviously the route down isn't as bad as the route up. So, you know, I'm not too worried. I just need to watch where the flipping nav's telling me to go. I was running for my life. Alright, there we go everyone. One last look. And it's on to business. Right, I'm going to flick the GoPro on now. And then that should record the whole way down. Right, here we go. Buzzing. Oh, this should be funny. Look at this. It's just the most insane place ever. It's brilliant. Timed that just right, I think. Just back there, I didn't get the camera out, but there'd been like a landslide into the road. This guy in front has got a bucket load full, cleaning it all off, so luckily it was clear enough. This is where it gets a little bit sketchy, Stevens. I'm stalling it. I'll show you the level that we're at right now, yeah? One slip, that's it. This road is awesome, absolutely awesome. It's coming up down here now. This is the bit that I was scared of. Is it? No, it's a bit further down. This is starting to get steep now. I'm just in second, but I think for that bit I might go in first. Yeah, this is getting steep now. I might have just been crapping myself. Problem is I'm on the right now, so if another car comes up I'm going to be right on this edge. I don't know how well it's coming across on the camera, but that is insane. Whoa! Yeah, the brakes are going to go if I ain't careful. I'll just keep dabbing. Oh my god. Like we could be in a plane right now. And then when you're coming in for landing in another country, that's the kind of view you get. I'm going to pull over and check the sat-nav. Make sure it's not going to try and tap me down flipping death road again. Now I can pull over here. Ideal, ideal. There's also an excellent view. Look at this. So I was in such a bad way on the way up, I missed all of this. This is looking a bit better. Okay. Imagine if I'd have come up this road, eh? Absolutely beautiful. Now, the sat-nav, in its infinite wisdom, is telling me to go down there. I might have to decline that, I think. No, I don't want to turn right, love. It's trying to take me into I think I'll give that one a miss, to be honest. Lesson learned, don't listen to the sat-nav or I'd be in there again having a heart attack. We are back on flat ground. That's where we were, up there somewhere. Mad. Where are we going? I don't want to recognise it yet. Oh yeah.
And how often I love so come along.
We're back.
Come rapping and kicking at your door.
I was on the way, so thought I might as well call in. Right, one last look to France. We've got to cross through these somewhere. Kind of a weird feeling, you know, when you're just driving straight at a wall of rock. Somehow you got to go over the top of it. Right. They're big. Properly big. You can see a road that's going right up the middle of that gap. This isn't ideal. The flipping sat-nav's brought me on the motorway, so I don't have the vignette. Even though the sat-nav doesn't know it's the motorway, it says it's a normal road, but the sign said it's now motorway. So that is fantastico. So it was only motorway through that tunnel and then it ended, so hopefully I won't get done. But we're going up that road that I saw. Every time I do this, it's like taking off at a plane. It's so weird. Just imagine, can't you? Back on a beautiful road again. Half climbing
takes me
1200
back
metres now.
down.
Oh my god! I knew I'd been on this road before. Oh, it's one hell of a view, I tell you. In fact, not only have I been here before, I bought apricots from that stand before. As at that time, I had some Swiss money. And this time I don't. Remember it well. 2015, because this is the way that we came over to Switzerland. And this is the first glimpse of Switzerland that we got. I was like, my head just exploded when I saw this. Coming over the hill, absolutely mega. I'll show you. Just hit the peak, 1,530 metres, and now we're going down the other side into France. Mad. I forgot it was that high. I was sick. I have to get steady down here though. Oh, you bastard, I just got a glimpse of it. Look at that. Wow. Gone through a bit of a border again and back in France. Well, I say border, it was a checkpoint but there was no one there, so you just drive straight through it. Yeah. Just got a glimpse of it. Real mountain. That is massive. Man, you just can't take your eyes off it, can you?
Arriving at destination on left.
That'll do us for the night, I think. Best place in the world, but look at that. Right, I think we're in for another storm by the looks of it. I didn't quite get to Chamonix. I stopped in the town just before because I think Chamonix is quite busy, so I thought I'd pull in here. It's a bit quieter. But yeah, just chilled really, had some food and that's about it. A bit knackered, so but yeah, tomorrow I might go have a look around this town actually. Have a walk around, seeing as I can actually use my wallet now if I need to. See if I can go find a shop. Buy a few bits and bobs. But yeah, so I'll catch up with you all in the morning.